Hi everybody, good morning. This is the daily challenge today from Bugforge. The hint is said, can you update another user profile? So we already have directly access to that. So let's just create a new user. Say, for example, jail@local.com, my name, password, and then you create, because the hint is already talk about user, so you can just go to their profile, inspect, put your network there. What we can change, we can't change username, we can change the email, we can change, for example, name, let's say J2. We're looking for intercept to see it use put variable, so we can do edit and resend and see what exactly this put. It use API profile name, so we need to know a name of another user and test it, and you just send your email and update a full name. Now the question is, if we have another profile, for example, name, we might use it to in the room. I don't see its call. We don't know if there is another name. Let me go back to when you click the home page. This is the deck and the point. This is the API study session. This is the stat API. What exactly it's called when you go to home page? Homepage, you just get so it work with session, desk search. We have a profile. Can we guess if there is an existing profile? We don't know. We need to create a new one. Let's guess there is an admin for sake of argument. Is there an admin profile? Oh, there is a 200 response. So let's try, because we know the username exists admin. So let's change the admin email or something. So let's go now without creating new profile. Remember the one we intercepted the first time, that put request. So we can just edit this one, and we know this username called admin. And now I can change it to, for example, if you have an email, you can say that, and I can just call it my new admin name. Because the idea now, there's no authentication to check the put request is supposed to do a session check, but it's not doing a session check, so it accept without authentication authorization. So if you do that, it does message. We've been able to change. Uh, you can see a request. I've been able to send a new email, and you that we can confirm. Let's confirm. So we got the flag, or we can confirm also if we got uh, edit resend this endpoint again, admin. Let's see if it did change, or it just lied to us and give us the flag. And you can see we've been able to change the email of admin, and we change the name. So this one, basically, if you forgot a password, you can say as admin, forgot a password, use your own email, and then you'll get a new password and log in as admin. So all this is because, for simple reason, the endpoint of put endpoint doesn't check. Why is it? The endpoint doesn't change. You can change the name, and it doesn't have an authentication to do. Basically, you're supposed to use session to check a request, but it didn't do. And we got the flag. Thank you, everybody, and have a good day.